Yo, it's Jabari with another video, and today I'm going to show you the proper way to do a push-up. Let's get into the video. So, the correct way to do a push-up. You may have been doing a push-up wrong, and you want to find out how to do it the right way. So first of all, a push-up is basically with a plank. So, just start off like in a plank position, not up too high like this with your butt in there, but not too low like this. Believe it or not, it actually makes the exercise even harder. You want your back to be straight and everything, and squeeze your glutes. And everybody just thinks that this exercise mainly works your chest. This actually also works out legs, glutes, and core. So they're going to be like this. Another important thing about when you're doing push-ups, you don't want your hands too wide or too close. So see where your hands should be is put them in front of you and push back down like that. So my hands are going to be, when you do a push-up, you don't want your elbows flaring out, but you want them in like this. Stay straight. Squeeze your chest at the top. And continue for reps. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to increase your knowledge about fitness, more fitness exercises for different muscle groups, and more fitness tips, so much more, start now by subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.